Please take your hand up small and now you come. Lord, as I tap this woman by the chest, I bring her heart back to life now. Amen. And as her heart comes back to life, every part of her body begin to respond to the glory of your holy name. 1, 2, 3. Ushers, help me. Just watch that. Watch. Just watch. Watch what is happening. Watch your screen. All online viewers, watch your screen. Look at her heart coming back to life.
Yes, sir.
Correction reaction. Correction reaction. Correction reaction. Look at.